MyPBX Hotel Module is a feature-rich add-on. It empowers MyPBX users to manage the booking, check-in and check-out of customers, check status of each room, offer minibar service, and run personalized speed reports and many other daily operational tasks in the hotel. The video is divided into 6 parts, explaining how to activate the add-on from the very beginning and every other detail including administrator login, room type management, system setup, check-in and check-out, booking, billing reports, and so on. Log in the web interface of MyPBX. Enter the add-on page. Click Install button. In the pop-up window, enter the activation code. You can purchase the activation code from your equipment provider. After activation, click Active and reboot the device. The device restarts and we get back to the login page. In the username, enter hotel, and the password is password. Click Login. We strongly advise you to change the password in password settings on your first login. Rooms are essential for all hotels, so it is important that we create rooms according to the hotel's needs. Enter Room Management. Click Models Management. In this page, we can manage room type. Click Add Model. Enter a name like Single Room. Then set the price and VAT. Different room types can be set as needed. Back to Room Management. Click Add Room. Enter room name. Choose the extension and the mode. We can also add bulk rooms. Enter how many rooms you need in Create Amount. Rooms starting from includes a prefix and a suffix. Prefix could be any characters and numbers. Suffix can only be numbers. Select Models and the initial extension number. Click Save. The room created will appear in the list. Each room has Edit and Delete buttons. In Edit, only the models can be changed. We can also edit or delete the selected batch extensions. When there are many rooms, we can sort rooms by room name, extension, or model. System Setup introduces how to set rates for calls made by guests and explain the general settings and minibar. See Rate Settings first. Click Rate Settings. How rooms will be charged making external calls is configured here. There is a default rate. It can be deleted. Click Add Rate. Make the general settings first. Prefix number is the prefix for making external calls. Leave it blank, then it matches any number. Next, set rate and billing unit. In Advanced, there are more specific settings. On the top is Days of Week. Sunday to Saturday is selected by default, so the rate is applicable from Sunday to Saturday. Move one of the days like Sunday to the left. The rate no longer applies to Sunday. From and to sets the period of time that will be charged based on the rate. Initial cost is the bill generated during the initial time. If the initial cost is $0.2 and initial time is 180 seconds. If a call lasts no longer than 180 seconds, the bill charged will be $0.2. The seconds beyond 180 will be charged based on the rate and billing unit set in general. The next item is Extension. If this box is ticked, this rate will be applied to all extensions, including the ones newly created. Check off the box, then specific extensions can be selected. Move the extensions to the right. The rate will be applied to the selected extensions. Click the General Settings. Some daily functions of the system is configured here. Under Functions, check the box means to enable the function. Locked when checkout means when a room checks out, the extension in this room will be locked and cannot dial out. Enable calling between rooms, then the system will allow extensions in different rooms to call each other. Room must be clean means the room without cleaning cannot be checked in. Enable bind extension caller name, then when a new room is created, the room name will automatically be the extension's name. Next, see dial plane. When someone checks out, the housekeeper will dial the feature code set in dial plane to check the minibar consumption or change the cleaning status of the room. In Reception, choose an extension to be the service number of the reception desk. The next column is Currency Unit and VAT. Enter the currency symbol in the currency unit. 2 VAT can be set. When VAT is changed, the VAT of minibar and rooms needs to be reconfigured. Under Company, you can manage your hotel profile. You can upload your hotel logo and fill in company name, address, and contact. Click Save. The logo and the relevant contact info will appear in the billing report. Enter the minibar page. First, select the VAT. Enter the name and the price in the relevant place to match specific digits. Housekeepers will use these digits to record the minibar consumption. This part demonstrates how to operate check-in, booking, room change and checkout, and how to manage group list and customers list, and how to set up wake-up call. Room status of all rooms is displayed in the room list. You can also search rooms. To start checking, select a room and click Check-in. Set the check-in date and check-out date. Fill in guest information and save. Guests from the same company or travel agency can be grouped together. Enter group list. Click Add Group. Fill in the name. And move the available rooms to the selected. Back to room list. Click Booking and fill in the guest's information. The booking record is in the booking list. When the guest shows up at the reception desk, click the booking record and then click Check-in. As the guest's information is already filled in, we only need to choose a room. Save, and the check-in is complete. The booking can also be cancelled. Back to room list. Tick the checkbox before a room and click Room Move. Then select a room. You can add comment to explain the movement. Click Save and the guest is moved to the new room. Information of guests who have stayed or booked will be kept in the customers list. You can search by last name or first name. Guest information can be added or deleted. MyPBX Hotel module supports Wake Up Call, which provides wake-up service for guests. Enter Wake Up Call. Click Add Wake Up Call. The service can be set to a single extension or group. Next, set the alarm time. In the type, choose whether the call is one day, every day, or custom. If you choose custom, you can further define the alarm pattern. Last, choose the prompt and repeat times. Consumption in the minibar needs to be checked in order to generate an accurate billing report when customers check out. This can be done with the phone in the room. Housekeepers can press *83 and the relevant digits to record the consumption. For example, if the customer consumed 2 bottles of water and 1 towel, the digits for bottled water and towel are 1 and 2. Use extension in the room to dial *83112. The 21 here means 2 bottles of water are consumed. If a key is pressed wrongly, use feature code *84 to delete the input. For example, digit 3 here standing for instant noodle is wrongly pressed. Then press *843 to delete the record. As minibar consumption is recorded, the room can check out. Click the room and click Checkout. Choose the exact checkout time. If send by email is ticked, the system will send the bill to the guest's email. If charge other than from room, phone, and minibar exists, check out the room separately. And fill the charge in some other. The system also supports group checkout. After checkout, house speakers will clean the room. They can press *85 on the extension to tell the system that the room is clean. Bills are saved as billing reports, which bills all consumption records. Reports can be sorted by check-in date, checkout date, and guest's name, etc. You can download or delete the reports. Click View to check the details. To print the bill, click the printer icon.